What's up, CBN? So, I just turned on my phone for once and stopped working, and I see inside the group, I forget who posted it, but a young lady posted that uh, she was getting discouraged because she had 3 leads from the Clean Biz Network, and every time she got there, they're saying that they didn't know, or they acting like they dumb, like they didn't know that she was coming, right? So let's go ahead and nip this in the bud, as I typically have to do, right, when it comes to the lead. So back in the day, what we used to do is, if that happens to you, you email us and you let us know, and we'll replace it and we apologize and all of that. And we still do that. But we've done something not too long ago. We just did this, right? Well, we've improved the lead generation service. And one of the key components of the improvement is you can call and confirm before you go. So we used to did not allow that because we call and confirm for you, right? Well, now we changed that. You do it, right? So you literally, so we call once, sell it, close, like get them set up for the appointment. It's up to you at that point to call them and confirm the appointment before you go. Do not go all the way out there if you did not confirm it first. All right, that's it. If you call them and they don't confirm it, don't go. All right. If you keep calling, and nobody's picking up the phone, don't, maybe still go. It's up to you if you still want to go or not. If you ain't got the gas money, you ain't got time to play like that, don't go. Wait till you can confirm it and then go. And if you still can't confirm it after a couple of days, tell us and we'll replace that one for you. All right. And still keep trying to get it. You might still can close that one, right? But also make sure you're listening to the recording. We send you a recording of the appointment before, when we give you the lead. So again, listen to the recording. If that sounds good, sound like they know what's going on, bet. That's a green flag. Then the next thing is, all right, now let me call and confirm a day before I go. If you can't get them to confirm, do not go, y'all. Save yourself the time, save yourself the gas. That's one of the improvements that we made. We should not be in here, making a post like this and then everybody commenting up there trying to like bandwagon it, right? Come on now. We done made that change. We done fixed it, y'all. But don't get discouraged. That's the last thing that you don't want to do. Don't get discouraged. If anything, reach out to my team. We're going to look into it. Either we're going to replace it till we get it right, or we're just going to give you your money back if you want your money back. But don't get discouraged. Try another lead service if you don't like us, right? But I guarantee you, you probably didn't call and confirm it before you went. That's all you have to do, and we can avoid this problem, all right? I know back in the day we said you couldn't do that. You can do that now, all right? So let's not have this problem going forward. And stay motivated, stay focused, stay locked in. Let's get it.